Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 5 of our class together. I just wanted to post a few just quick reminders of what you have this week. So you have 2 things that you're responsible for this week. One is the week 5 discussion, which is the skills assessment, which I'm going to show you in this video how to complete. It's here in Canvas as well, but I will post a quick reminder. Your initial post is due by Thursday at midnight, and you need to respond to 2 classmates' posts by Sunday at midnight. And then your strong interest inventory results have been sent to you. They were sent on Monday of this week. And basically you want to check, just like you did with the Myers-Briggs assessment, check your results in the email that you put when you took the assessment. Most importantly, I want you to watch this video while going over your results. I recorded this because I kind of walk you through how to view your assessment. It's 14 pages, so it can be really confusing. So please watch this while going over your results. And then you'll write a 1-page reflection due by Sunday at midnight of how you felt about your results. So those are the only 2 things you have this week. And then just to remind you, to complete the assessments, you're going to go to the Career Center website. So glendale.edu/career center. And then you'll scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to click on Eureka. It's going to take you to the Eureka Eureka website where you're going to create an account. You're going to click create an account and you're just going to put your personal information in here. And then you'll select your counselor. You can select myself, Molly Mercer if you want, or anybody. And then I already have an account, so I'm going to show you what it looks like when you log in. Let me log into mine. Oops, sorry, hold on. Okay, so when you log in, here on the left, you're going to click on self-assessments. You're going to complete the micro skills and the OcuSort assessment. So micro skills and the OcuSort assessment that you'll complete right here. I have more information about it in Canvas, but I just wanted to post this for now. I hope you all have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions.